Being a pediatric oncologist, I get asked quite often, especially by parents. My child is getting recurrent fevers. It's been more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Child has been down with fevers, or she or he complains of severe pains in their bones, especially the legs, and wants to be carried, recurrently. So, should you be worried about such symptoms or these complaints? Yes and no in some cases. Yes, because prolonged fevers, anything more than 2 weeks in duration, is something that's of concern and has to be investigated deeper. Either it could be because of infections or it could be because of a more deadlier diagnosis like cancer. Bone pains in children are common, especially if they are growing up. However, if the child is complaining of such severe bony pains that is not getting better with, a few doses of pain medications, child is expecting to be picked up and carried. If it comes with other symptoms like the child looking pale, reduced appetite, reduced activity, along with recurrent fevers, then yes, this is definitely a red flag, and parent, you should be concerned about it. Concerned enough that you should meet a pediatric oncologist and make sure that your child is evaluated thoroughly and diagnosed that they either have fevers because of infections or some other causes. The reason for concern here is these can be some of the main presenting symptoms of acute leukemia in children, which is one of the most common presenting complaints of cancer in children.